Good day everyone, my name is Mr. Bobby Heisem Argonatise and I'm from BIS IT 1B. So thank you for joining me on this short lecture today. And today I will explain to you what is compassion is and how I express it through care for others and the environment. And I will also explain to you what is the important role of communal discernment in making Pan Pacific School and the world a more compassionate place. Yeah. So, first of all, compassion, sa sariling words ko, compassion is a kind feeling in your heart when you see someone suffering or may nakikita kang nahihirapan, ganun, handa kang palaging tumulong, ganun, yung parang yung feeling mo ngay na yung kabaitan mo, ganun, parang na ano ka, natatouch ka, ganun. So, compassion daw is, it has a two parts. First of all, it is understanding how the other person feels. And the second one is, it is the desire to take action to help make things better. So, compassion is more than simple feeling sorry for someone. It says, I see that you are hurting and I want to help you. Ganon. Parang nag-offer ka na mag-ano, ganon. Syempre, compassion nga is kind of feeling in your heart when you see someone suffering. Ganon. It reminds us that we all experience hard times and that we all need kindness. And also, compassion is not a sign of weakness. It requires courage and inner strength. It calls us to look beyond our own needs and notice the needs of others. Ganon. So, compassion daw is parang in short is compassion is hindi siya makasarili, ganun. Parang lagi mong iniisip yung kapakanan ng iba, ganun. Parang concern ka sa iba, palagi kang concern sa iba pag nakikita mo silang nahihirapan, ganun. Concern ka. So, feel yung pagkakaintindi ko sa compassion is ganun. So, I just want to add lang is yung compassion must move from feeling to action. So, we show compassion for others when we listen to them patiently or kapag sad yung kaibigan mo, nakikinig ka, ganun, and help a classmate with their studies. Di naman mo siya pwedeng pakopyahin, ganun, or parang turuan mo lang siya ba, ganun, or tulungan mo siya. Tapos yung speak up against bullying. Small everyday acts also matter, such as sharing notes, offering kindness, kind of words, ganon. Checking on someone who feels lonely. Ganon. At Pan Pacific School, compassion means building a community where every student feels safe, valued, and supported, regardless of their background or challenges. We also express compassion by caring for the environment. Our earth is our shared home. Taking care of nature shows kindness to people today and to future generations. Simple actions include reducing the use of plastic, saving water and electricity, keeping our school grounds clean and green, and choosing to walk or bike when it possible. Kung malapit lang naman, pwede naman tayong maglakad na lang or magbike para maiwasan natin yung, dito nga sabi is yung pollution, maiwasan natin yung pollution na parang isa sa mga problema sa bansa natin, pollution, and yung waste and damage to nature harm people, animals, and plants, especially the most vulnerable. Therefore, protecting the environment is an important way of showing kindness to all who share this planet. In short, compassion asks us this daily question: how can I help reduce suffering and improve life for people and for our planet? And how can we make our school and the world more compassionate? This is where communal discernment plays with a vital role. Communal discernment is the practice of making important decisions together. It involves careful listening, honest conversation, deep thinking, and choosing what is the best for everyone, not only for ourselves. So at Pan Pacific School, this looks like students, teachers, and staff coming together to discuss the school rules and policies. It means considering how decisions affect mental health, fairness, accessibility, sustainability, and the environment. It also means giving every voice a chance to be heard with respect, like that. So this way of making decision together strengthens compassion. Listening help us understand one another better. It prevents hasty or selfish, parang pagiging selfish choices natin, ganon, that may harm others or the environment. It builds trust and cooperation. When people feel their views matter, they are more willing to work for the common good. So the world also needs a collective. So this way of making decisions together strengthens compassion. Listening helps us understand one another better. It prevents hasty or self-choices that may harm others or the environment. It builds trust and cooperation. So when people feel their views matter, they are more willing to work together for a common good. The world also needs this collective wisdom. So major challenges such as climate change, mga ganon, inequality, and conflict require communities to think and act together with kindness and care. So, as a member of Pan Pacific School and citizen of the world, each of us has an important part to play. Begin with small steps, practice compassion in your daily words and actions, ganon, and care for the environment through simple habits, and take part in group decisions with respect and open mind. When we combine personal kindness and wise group decisions, we create a culture where caring for people and the planet becomes natural and expected. So, to conclude this short lecture or simple lecture, let us therefore commit ourselves today to live with compassion and to practice communal discernment in all what we do. So imagine Pan Pacific School where every student feels cared for, where our campus is clean and green, and our decisions are made with wisdom and kindness. This is not just a dream, it is a future we can build together, one kind of act and one thoughtful conversation at a time. The power to make our school and our world more compassionate lies in our hands. Let us rise to this calling with open hearts, courageous minds, and united spirits. So, thank you very much, and may we all go for this today inspired to make real differences. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Once again, I encourage everyone to remember that true compassion is not measured by how big our actions are, but by the love, kindness, and sincerity behind them. Let us continue to care for one another, protect our environment, and work together to make wise decisions for the common good. Through compassion and communal discernment, we can help create a brighter, more peaceful, and more hopeful future for everyone.